So for this week's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this DIY pinboard out of cardboard and a fat quarter. And what's better, there's no sewing involved.
Hey creatives! So welcome to 5-Minute Fat Quarters. This is a series where I teach you some fun and fabulous fat quarter makes in 5 minutes or less. So without further ado, let's get on with this week's fat quarter make.
For this project, you will need one fat quarter, you will need a piece of cardboard that's cut out, whether it's rectangle or circle, whatever shape you want, as long as it's just a little bit smaller than your fat quarter. You will need some fabric glue, some ribbon, some drawing pins, and some scissors. So firstly, make sure that your fat quarter has been ironed so it's all nice and neat, because you won't be able to iron it once it's on the cardboard unless you want to set the cardboard on fire. And then what you're going to do is we are just going to secure the back of the fat quarter to the cardboard. So this is going to be the back, so we're basically just gluing the material, the fat quarter, around the piece of cardboard and just securing it with our fabric glue. And don't forget, make sure that your fat quarter is facing downwards while you're doing this, and that way when you turn the cardboard over, your fat quarter will be the right side, the material will be facing outwards. And voila, our cardboard is nicely covered with our fat quarter. So pop it to one side and leave it to dry. Go and keep yourself busy, listen to a podcast, watch a film, bake some cakes, eat some cheese, whatever you need to do while it dries. So once the glue is no longer tacky, you need to grab your ribbon. So you will need quite a fair bit of ribbon for this. So I'd say maybe like a meter, or like maybe a meter and a half of ribbon. This was a 12-meter roll, I think. I don't know, I might have made that up, but yeah, you need quite a bit of ribbon anyway. And what we're going to do is we're going to line these up into kind of diagonals. They're going diagonally across the board. Obviously this might be a little bit more difficult if you're doing a circular board. I haven't tried it, but yeah, it's the same principle. So just go along. I've cut out 4 diagonal strips going each way. Just measure them out, and obviously make sure you've got enough at either end to glue down at the back, because that's how we're going to secure this ribbon into place. So start securing your ribbon by just putting 2 small dots at either end where your ribbon's going to lie on the front, just to keep it in place. And then we're going to flip it over and glue down the ends. So just continue this and do this for all of your ribbons that you need to stick down. And when we're done, it should look a little something like this. Apart from I'm not very good at measuring and things aren't even, but you get the gist. Then grab your drawing pins, and wherever the ribbon meets, just push a pin into the middle just to secure it into place. I have these super cute little mustache ones which are just adorable, but this will just help you slot memos or pictures or pieces of paper into the ribbon without them falling out. I also glued some ribbon onto the top just for a little hanger, and there is our memo board. So either slot your pictures in, or you can use your push pins to attach your memos to your board as well. Just bear in mind that the thinner the cardboard, you might find the pins come out the other side, but if it's against the wall, it shouldn't be too much of an issue.
Drop me a comment down below if you tried this or any of my other fat quarter makes. Don't forget to show me some love and hit that thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe for more DIY, fun and creative crafty content, and hit that notification bell and you will be notified every time I upload a video. So I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep creative. Bye!